Hello everyone, today is a historic moment for millions of Americans. Just a short while ago, the Social Security Fairness Act was officially signed into law by President Biden. This landmark change means nearly 3 million retirees are now set to receive the full Social Security benefits they've rightfully earned. It's a victory decades in the making, and one that's long overdue. Now, let's break this down. For over 50 years, workers like teachers, firefighters, police officers, and postal workers have faced unfair rules that reduced or even eliminated their Social Security benefits. These rules were tied to public pensions they earned from jobs not covered by Social Security. That never felt fair, right? Well, with this law, those outdated policies are finally gone. And here's where it gets even better. The law doesn't just stop these reductions moving forward, it's retroactive to January 2024. What this means is that eligible retirees will receive back payments for the benefits they missed over the past year. For so many who've dedicated their lives to public service, this is about more than just money, it's about getting the respect and fairness they've earned. You might be wondering, what do you need to do if you're affected? Well, for most people, there's no action required right now. The Social Security Administration will update your benefits automatically. But you'll want to make sure your mailing address and direct deposit information are current. That's easy to do online through your Social Security account, or you can contact their office if needed. And if you haven't applied for Social Security yet but think you qualify, you can start that process online too. Now, I do want to mention, the Social Security Administration is still working out the logistics of implementing this change. It might take a little time to see these updates reflected in your payments, but they've already started the process. So, hang tight, it's coming. And this isn't just a win for retirees. It's a reminder of how important persistence and advocacy are. For years, people have been fighting to make this change happen, and today, we're seeing the results of that hard work. It's proof that when we stand up for what's right, we can achieve real, meaningful progress. And even if you're not directly impacted, this is something we can all celebrate. It's a moment of fairness and justice for millions of public servants who've dedicated their lives to making our communities better. So, what does this mean for you or someone you know? Maybe it's time to check in with a teacher, firefighter, or postal worker in your life and share the good news. Or just take a moment to reflect on the power of fairness and what it means for all of us. This law represents a brighter future for millions of hardworking Americans, and that's something worth celebrating. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates on important changes like this. Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you or someone you know impacted by the Social Security Fairness Act? And if you found this helpful, share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching.